The world is constantly changing. New inventions reshape our lives. We've witnessed remarkable transformations from the printing press to the internet. These innovations have revolutionized how we communicate and share knowledge. Today, another technological marvel is breaking down barriers. YouTube's auto-dubbing feature. This groundbreaking tool makes it easier than ever to share videos globally. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to understanding and enjoying content from every corner of the globe. This is the promise of YouTube auto-dubbing. Using auto-dubbing is simple and intuitive. First, sign into your YouTube account and navigate to your video manager. Select the video you want to dub and click on the Subtitles CC option. Next, choose Auto Translate and select your desired language from the extensive list of available options. Once the translation is complete, click Publish to make your dubbed video accessible to a global audience. With just a few clicks, you've opened your content to a world of viewers. This user-friendly feature empowers creators to expand their reach effortlessly. Auto-dubbing relies on the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. It utilizes sophisticated algorithms to transcribe the spoken audio in your video, translate it into your chosen language, and then generate synthetic voices to match the translated script. This complex process happens seamlessly in the background, requiring no technical expertise from the user. While the technology is still under development, it has made remarkable progress in recent years. The AI is constantly learning and improving, producing increasingly natural-sounding voices and more accurate translations. The benefits of auto-dubbing are vast and far-reaching. For creators, it's a powerful tool for reaching new audiences and growing their channels exponentially. By breaking down language barriers, creators can connect with viewers worldwide, fostering cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. Viewers, in turn, gain access to a wealth of diverse content, expanding their horizons and enriching their lives. Educational channels can share their knowledge with students worldwide, filmmakers can showcase their artistic visions internationally, and vloggers can connect with a global community of like-minded individuals. The possibilities are, honestly, limitless. While auto-dubbing holds immense promise, it's essential to acknowledge its current limitations. The technology is still evolving and some challenges need to be addressed. One of the main limitations is the artificial nature of synthetic voices. While AI-generated voices have improved significantly, they can sometimes sound robotic and lack the natural inflections and emotions of human speech. Accurate translation also presents a challenge, as nuances in language and cultural context can be easily lost in translation. This can lead to misinterpretations or inaccuracies in the dubbed audio. Additionally, background music or sound effects can interfere with the AI's ability to transcribe and translate speech accurately. To overcome these limitations, creators can adopt some best practices. First and foremost, ensure your original audio is clear and well enunciated. This will make it easier for the AI to transcribe your speech accurately. When choosing background music, opt for subtle tracks that don't overpower the dialogue. Once your video is dubbed, take the time to review the translated audio and make any necessary adjustments. Be mindful of cultural differences in humor, expressions, and sensitivities. By paying attention to these details, you can create a more authentic and enjoyable experience for your international viewers. Despite its limitations, YouTube auto-dubbing represents a significant leap forward in global communication. It empowers creators to share their stories with the world and fosters cultural exchange and understanding on an unprecedented scale. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more natural-sounding voices, more accurate translations, and a seamless viewing experience for audiences worldwide. The future of storytelling is global and inclusive, and YouTube auto-dubbing is leading the charge. Embrace this revolutionary tool, share your stories with the world, and be a part of this exciting new chapter in human connection.